Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is actually my first vlog style video in a couple weeks, so I hope you guys enjoy this. So the neon lost power on the highway, stalled out. Me and my brother had to tow it back to our house. So right now I have a refurbished alternator in the car and it's still under warranty. So hopefully I could just take it out of the car, bring it to AutoZone, have them replace it for free, and I won't have to pay any money. All right, so on this little Ferrari, they put the alternator there. Isn't that crazy? So, took the wheel off, unbolted the coolant reservoir, loosened the intake. This should pop right out. Maybe not. So we got the intake out. I forgot about the breather tube. That was definitely holding that on there. Now the coolant reservoir, be careful because there should be coolant in here. Whoa, that'll snake right out. And be careful with that, you don't want to spill that. All right, now we can access the clips, one of the bolts, and all that fun. So this is not a DIY video, I'm sure you can tell by now, so I'm not gonna walk you through all that, but all right, after a few hours of work, come on you. All right, there she is. Looks pretty good, honestly. Imagine this isn't the issue. Oh well. All right, so let's take this to Advanced Auto Parts, get our new alternator, put it in, and see what happens. For now, I'm gonna charge up this battery with the trickle charger. Where is it? In you, it's somewhere. We'll find it. So I just got back from Advanced Auto Parts and they are replacing it for free. Unfortunately, they will not have a battery, or excuse me, an alternator until tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna cut this video short, start it again tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.